In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a trade directly on TradingView Desktop. We'll walk through the exact flow from opening your chart to placing an order, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Start by heading to tradingview.com on your desktop. This gives you access to the full charting interface and trading tools you'll need. Once the site loads, look to the right side of the screen for your watch list. Choose the symbol you want to trade by clicking it. This will load that market's chart so you can see price action, indicators, and recent movement. Next, switch to the full chart view. Clicking full chart expands the workspace, revealing all the panels and buttons you'll use to place a trade. This view makes it easier to see levels and ensures the trading tools are visible along the bottom of the screen. Now open the trading panel and connect paper trading. Paper trading is TradingView's built-in simulator, which lets you practice placing orders with virtual funds. It's perfect for learning the workflow and testing strategies with no risk. If you see a prompt to connect, just choose paper trading and you'll be linked to a simulated account. On the chart, click trade. This brings up quick actions tied to the instrument you're viewing and is the gateway to the order ticket. Then click order to open the full order ticket. This is where you'll review the order details and confirm everything before sending it. From here, decide whether you want to buy or sell. Buying takes a long position, which benefits if price goes up. Selling takes a short position, which benefits if price goes down, assuming the market supports shorting. Choose the direction that matches your analysis. Select your order type, market, limit, or stop. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, fast and simple, but subject to slippage. A limit order lets you set the exact price you're willing to pay or receive, great for planning entries at a level. A stop order triggers once price reaches your chosen stop level, useful for breakout entries or protective exits. Pick the type that fits your approach. Add risk management by setting take profit and stop loss. Take profit locks in gains at a target level, while stop loss caps downside if the market moves against you. Setting both before you submit the order helps you stay disciplined and removes emotion from the trade. When everything looks right, click buy or sell to send the order. That's it. You've entered a trade directly on TradingView Desktop using the built-in trading panel and order ticket.